me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you're hurrying so. Hush, my boy, oh hush and listen. And his eyes were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain. Get you're ready quick and soon, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. Ah, then tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gathering is to be. In the old spot by the river, right well known to you and me. One thing more for signal token, whistle up a marching tune, and your sword upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Rumors passed along the valley like a banshee's lonely croon, and 1,000 blades were flashing at the rising of the moon. Long, long, long the Singhead River, that dark mass of men were seen, and high above their shining weapons hung their own immortal green. Death to every foreign traitor, foreign strike a marching tune, and your sword upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Well, they fought for poor old Ireland, and for bitter was their fate. Ah, with glorious pride and sorrow filled the name of 98. Yet thank God, while hearts are beating, foreign manhood's burning noon, we must follow in their footsteps at the rising of the moon. Death to every foreign traitor, foreign strike a marching tune, and hurrah, me boys, for freedom. 'Tis the rising of the The trees, they grow high, and the leaves, they do grow green. Many years the time my true love I've seen. Many an hour I have watched him all alone. He is young, but he's daily grown. Father, dear Father, you have done me great wrong. You have married me to a boy who is too young. I am twice 12 and he is but 14. He is young, but he's daily grown. Daughter, dear daughter, I've done you no wrong. I have married you to a great lord's son. He'll be a man for you when I'm dead and gone. He is young, but he's daily grown. Father, dear father, if you see fit, we'll send him to college for another year yet. I'll tie blue ribbons all around his head to let the maidens know he's married. One day I was looking on my father's castle wall. I spied all the boys playing at the ball. My own true love was the flower of them all. He is young, but he's daily grown. Early one morning at the dawning of the day, they went into the hayfield to have some sport and play. And what they did there she never would declare, but she never more complained of his growing. At the age of 14, he was a married man. At the age of 15, the father of a son. At the age of 16, his grave it was green, half gone for to waste in battle. I'll buy my love some flannel and I will make a shroud. And with every stitch I put in it, the tears they will pour down. With every stitch I put